This video will show you how to use facial recognition with the SSICA 2.0 app. For those students or individuals that don't have an ID card or do not state their name, you can use facial scan to actually bring up the information of that student. So once you log in to the SSICA 2.0 app, you'll have a series of buttons. We're going to scan in this example here, tardy to first period. We click on tardy to first period, and since they don't have an ID card and they're not telling us their name, we cannot do ID lookup. We will use face scan. When you click on face scan, the camera opens up, and what you want to do is take a picture of the student's face, and then you will click OK on the top, and then SSICA will go to work. SSICA will look for the picture already in the admin portal, and then it will process the student tardy to first period. And there you go. For more information, please go to our website at drsica.com, or you can contact me directly at 559 393 7322.